Do you enjoy the money you make from running affiliate campaigns, but don't enjoy putting in the effort? Smart eCPA is the tool for you. Our system uses machine learning and smart algorithms to optimize your campaign towards an eCPA goal you set. What do I need to do to activate this handy tool? It's very simple. There are only 3 things different from a standard campaign. Firstly, you will need to select Smart eCPA as the pricing model. Then, you will need to set the testing budget type. This decides how aggressive the optimizing is. If you select Tight, it will give you more aggressive blacklisting and high rate of cost cutting, which will make the model harder to build and sustain for the system. This model should only be used if you have a very large eCPA. On the other end of the scale, if you select High, it will give you smooth blacklisting and greater attention to conversion data. This model has better quality, more accuracy, and a greater longevity than the other model types. This will work better with a smaller eCPA goal. Set the target eCPA. Be careful, if you set this too low, the campaign will not have a chance to optimize. Provide the campaign link, ensuring that you are providing the conversion data. The tool does not work without this. Hit save and you're good to go. It's really that simple. We do, however, have some hints and tips to make sure that your smart eCPA campaign becomes profitable. Daily budget. When setting the daily budget, do not set it too low. Keep in mind that you need 100 conversions for the model to start working. Setting a low budget will just extend the learning period. The campaign optimizes straight away, but no guarantee it reaches the target until the model is built. It happens after at least 100 conversions. Make sure that you stick to one offer. If you rotate the lander in the back end, the system will never learn what converts for a particular offer. Don't be afraid of small fluctuations in target eCPA. It's better not to change bid and eCPA during the building of the model. If the campaign is not performing or buying, the system will stop it. If it's still alive, there is potential for growth. And lastly, be careful with targeting options. Once the campaign is live, you cannot change them. You will be able to change the budget, bid and target eCPA, only targeting options will not be editable.